Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create your own custom boss bars in Minecraft Java Edition. I'm in Minecraft 1.16.1 at the moment, but this also works in previous versions of course, because the command used for this was added in 1.13, so from 1.13 up you can use this command to create your own custom boss bars. Of course, normally in the game you only see the boss bar for the Wither and the Ender Dragon, but you can customize them completely up to your own will, and I will show you all the commands you can use to do this. So this is the boss bar command, here it is, boss bar, and then you get a few options, so add, get, list, remove and set. So we shall first add a boss bar. All of these commands will be in the description of course. So this is just the name of the boss bar, it doesn't matter, it won't show up, so we'll just call it first. And then the text that will actually be above the boss bar is this over here. I've set it to boss health in this case. And then I've set the color of the name to red and bold true. So if we press this, we will see that we created a custom boss bar with this name, as you can see, but it's not at the top of our screen just yet. We will need this boss bar set first players at A. So this will just assign the players to the boss bar. So you can put one name over here, so just your own name or the nearest player. I'll just do at A, so this will give all the players in the server this boss bar. So just right click it and we'll see boss health up here with a health bar underneath it. But we can customize it even further. Over here we will change the style. So there's a couple of styles and you change them by boss bar set, then the name of your boss bar, style. So there's these different styles. We have progress, notch 10, notch 12, notch 20 and notch 6. So it will do exactly what you think it will do. Notch 6 will create 6 notches in your boss bar, as you can see. With 10 you get 10 notches, 12 notches and 20 notches. There we go. And progress will just be without any notches at all. So that's what it is normally. So with this command I set it to 10. Then the next one will set its maximum value. So this is normally set to 100 and we will just set it to 10. This makes setting the actual value easier. Since we have 10 notches and the maximum value is 10, so if we set the value to 2, it will fill up these 2 first notches, 5 will fill up these 5 and so on. So let's set it to 7 and you'll see that 7 out of 10 notches are filled. This is done by boss bar set first value, and now you can change this between anywhere between 1 and 10. So if we change the maximum value to, for example, 100, you will see that it also changes the value up here. So we will need to have it set to 20 if we want to have 2 notches filled. But with some, like notch 6, it's just easier to set the max value the same as the amount of notches. Let's set it back to 10, value 2. Next we can also change the color of the boss bar itself. So we change the color of the name, boss health, but we also want to change the color of the boss bar itself. So we can do that, we change it to red. So boss bar set first color red. So in this way you can totally customize the boss bar yourself. We can also remove it by setting boss bar remove first, and this will remove the entire boss bar from the game. Now let's try to create something else. Let's give it a different name, amount of health for example. Let's make it blue and let's keep it bold. There we go. Of course we need to change the ID of it as well, so let's call it second. There we go, we've added amount of health. Let's make it visible. Now both are visible. If you want to remove the boss health just if it's visible, you will just need to do this. Boss bar set first visible false. And then it is still there. You can reactivate it immediately, but you just can't see it anymore. Let's create a notch 12 one this time. There we go, 12 notches. So then we want to set our max value to 12 as well for second. There we go. And now we can change the value of course. So let's set it to 8. There we go. Let's change the color of the boss bar to green. There we go. Boss bar doesn't have to have the same color as the color of the text above it, of course. So if you're creating a map, it might be handy to create something like this. So I've set the amount of health now to 6 notches, as you can see here, and the maximum set to 6. So you want to have a sort of boss and then detect when a player has done something, and then what you want to do is get these commands. So if this one sets it to 6, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. and after that you can make it invisible, of course. So you'd need all of these command blocks here. I don't know how to just remove one from the value each time with one command block, so you have to set up multiple command blocks for this. But if you have, for example, a parkour challenge to be the boss, you can have a pressure plate at the end of each of the stages and that just have one of these command blocks underneath it, so you can see the amount of health of the boss decreasing as you progress to the parkour or kill more mobs and stuff like that. So that's how I would use the bossbar command in a map. There we go, that's how to create a custom bossbars. I'll just go over a couple more features this bossbar command has. So you can also get bossbar get. You'll be able to get the max value of certain bossbars. The players it is shown to, so one player online, boss health. You can also see the value of that bossbar, that's currently 20, and if it's visible or not, so it's currently hidden. So this information you can get with this command. List will just list all of the active custom boss bars, so that's boss health and amount of health. You'll also be able to see the color of the boss bar here with the brackets. So the color of the boss bar is green and the color of the text is blue. Then, as I said, you can remove them, of course, with boss bar remove. And you can set all of these different things. So you can set the color, maximum number, the name, the players, the style, the value, and if it's visible or not. There we go, that's all you need to know about the Minecraft boss bars. If you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments down below, and then I'll try to help you out. But that's all for this video, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing. But there we go, hope to see you in my next videos. Until then, bye bye!